Hello, my name is Anusree. I recently did the full stack digital marketing course with AI from NB Marketing Solutions. And the important part about the course is that it is on weekends. And I was randomly searching for a course. I came across a course, and it's also in Tamil, which helped me immensely as I could easily understand the concepts. And also the teachers are also very friendly, like especially Nivin sir helped me understand the concepts and cleared all my doubts. And the important feature that I saw was it was AI incorporated, which helps us to understand the real time problems of the theory that we learned. And all in all, it was a very wonderful experience. And also after the course, I was given an internship opportunity also from the company based on my performance. uh, and it was very easy for me to keep in track of the course along with my full-time job. It was not at all hectic. I could clear all the concept on time to time. And I would suggest this to any working professional who want to enter into the digital marketing world with the help of a very insightful teachers. Yeah, thank you.